Hello, this video will introduce you to using Nixty for your ELN204 course project. To go to Nixty, go to nixty.com. That's Nixty.com. From this page, you'll want to sign up. Create a username, a password, enter your first name, your last name, and your email. Type in the letters and click Sign Up. Now just go ahead and click here to start learning. You can take a course. There are over 200 video courses available for free. So if you want to take a look at what Nixty can do for you, you can click on this, or you can jump right in and to create a course. Go ahead and choose your category, your course name, I would keep it at traditional, where only you can manage the content for the purpose of this project. You don't want anybody coming in and changing it since you are getting graded on it, so don't choose the wiki. Type in a course description. Make sure that your course description is specific. It is going to show up on your course homepage. Then click Submit. You'll be given this notice where you can make your course available to the public if you like. I would, again, not do that for your assignment. Instead, what you should do is leave it private, and I'll show you how to invite students to go through your course. If you scroll down, you'll see what your course would look like without this wizard. You'll see there's an area for announcements, lessons, discussions. Here's your course description, and your instructor in this actually will take them to your user page. In the Getting Started area, there are links for creating a lesson, a test, uploading a syllabus, going to your administrative panel, and to turn this wizard off. All of these tools are also available by clicking on Manage Course on the left. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a lesson. To create a lesson, start by clicking on New Folder. Give it a name, and give instructions. In this case, you probably want to tell students what tasks they need to complete to go through the lesson. So you might say, read this, then go through this video, then take this quiz, then answer this discussion question, however you format the course. I'm just going to put in something. Click Submit when you're done. Notice that you can format. You can include links, you can include images, you can embed media, and you can also use HTML tags if you know those. So now that I have lesson 1 created, I need to add content. So if I click on Add Content, it's going to give me some choices. I can upload a new file. So if I have a file a Word document or a PDF or something like that I want to attach to the lesson, I would do so here. You can add more text or HTML content. So if you wanted to include your lesson material and the reading and the actual lesson information, you can do that there. You can embed content. For example, if you've created a video, the best way to upload it into your course is to actually upload it to YouTube first, and then click on the embed and get that code, because when you click on embed, you're going to add your embed code here and click Submit. That'll embed the YouTube player right into your course, into your lesson. You can embed graphics. You can add a new discussion post. You can add a quiz or a test. And you can also embed documents, Word, Excel, PowerPoints, or PDFs. I'm going to go ahead and add a new discussion post. Just do the topic, put in your question, and click Save. That's going to show up under those discussion posts on that course homepage. I can add more content. I can add some text. click Submit. So here's where the embedded content shows. I could have embedded a video, I could have embedded a file, that kind of thing in here as well. You can edit it from here. When I'm done, I can check it out by going to Lessons. Here's Lesson 1. There's my instructions, my discussion post, my embedded content. Again, you can go to your Manage Course panel to do some things as well. Here's where you can add your announcements. You can upload a syllabus. You can set up your gradebook. So if you have tests and quizzes that you want to have auto-graded, you can set them up here. You can create tests. You can go back to your lessons. And here's where you can invite your students. You just invite them using an email address. Then you have settings over here. You can add a course photo. You can edit the category. You can include more instructors if you wanted to. Change the general settings. If you decide that you've really made a mistake and you don't want to use this course anymore, you can delete the course and start over as well. If I go to the course home, again, I've got the wizard, which I can turn off because I've got that administrative panel. And here's my course so far. I can always click here to manage my course and go back to this, or click on Manage Course over here. Once you have students enrolled, you can check on their status by clicking on Students. The discussions are going to take you to the discussions that you've already posted, and the lessons take you to the lessons. If you go to the course directory, that's going to take you to the publicly available courses. There's a lot of them. They're very interesting. Some have done some great things. I would suggest that you go through these on your own to see what can be done using this tool. You can always go back to your courses by clicking on My Courses. And here's my course demonstration. And again, I can manage my course. That's the basic setup and use of Nixty. If you have any questions, you can always contact your instructor, or there are some help options available in Nixty as well, up here under Help. Enjoy making your course.